Hi then, thanks for joining me. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover quickly the 4 types of options that you can trade. This isn't going to be an exhaustive video that goes on for ages. I just want to keep this short and concise so you can get the information that you need quickly. Okay, so on with the video. So if you're new to options or you just want to get into options, you might not know what an option is. So I'm on Investopedia here, which is really good. So I'm just going to read what it says. It says the term option refers to the financial instrument that is based on the value of underlying securities such as stocks. An options contract offers the buyer the opportunity to buy or sell depending on the type of contract they hold, the underlying asset. And like futures, the holder is not required to buy or sell the asset if they decide against it. Each options contract will have a specific expiration date by which the holder must exercise their option. The stated price on an option is known as the strike price. Options are typically bought and sold through online or retail brokers. So I just wanted to cover that quickly if you aren't sure really what an option is. It's basically a contract that allows you or gives you the right to buy or sell an underlying stock. So okay, let's look at the 4 ways to trade option. I'm on Investopedia again because it's really good. And I'm just going to cover very quickly the 4 ways to trade options. So basically, while there are many, exotic sounding variations, I'm just going to read what it says on Investopedia. There are ultimately only 4 basic positions to trade in the options market. You can either buy or sell call options or buy or sell put options. In establishing a new position, options traders can either buy or sell to open. Existing positions are cancelled by either selling or buying to close. Regardless of which side of a trade you take, you're making a bet on the price direction of the underlying asset, but the buyer and seller of options stand to profit in very different ways. So here are the key sort of takeaways. There are 4 basic options positions: buying a call option, selling a call option, buying a put option, and selling a put option. With call options, the buyer is betting that the market price on an underlying asset will exceed a predetermined price called the strike price, while the seller is betting it won't. With put options, the option buyer is betting the market price of an underlying asset will fall below the strike price, while the seller is betting it won't. Buyers of call or put options are limited in their losses to the cost of the option, its premium. Unhedged sellers of options face theoretically unlimited losses. Spreads with options involve simultaneously buying and selling different options contracts on the same underlying asset. So that is a very, very quick overview of the 4 types of options trades that you can take. So basically, just to recap, you can buy and sell call options, you can buy and sell put options. Now, I'm not going to go into depth really what they are because that's really out the scope of this particular video, but I just want to give you an idea of the 4 ways to trade options. Now, if you're looking at this video, you're either going to be, beginner or newbie options trader, or maybe you're a novice trader. Now, my advice to you is don't trade options without guidance from an expert. You need to know what you're doing because options can be quite complicated and they can be quite confusing if you've never traded options before. And you really need a system and a strategy in order to trade options. You just don't want to go and pick a stock and open a position with an options on it and hope for the best. That's a great way to lose your money. So my advice is to follow an expert. And whilst I'm by no means an expert options trader, I've only really got into options this year because I'm a crypto trader and the crypto market isn't doing great. So I fell into options, and I basically follow Larry Benedict, and he's got a company called the Opportunistic Trader, and he's got a product called the One Ticker Trader. Basically, Larry is one of the world's leading options experts, and he's got a very, very specific and simple way of how he trades options, and he's calling it the One Ticker Retirement Plan. And with the One Ticker Retirement Plan, he's got a specific system of how he chooses stocks to trade with options, and then he trades that stock over and over again according to his formulas. This way of trading is great for new options traders, and it's a way that I'm looking to trade options well. Very easy to understand, and it's it's a lot less risky than just sort of trading how normal traders would bet. So anyway, this is One Ticker Trader. Basically just give you a very quick overview. You've got issues and updates. This is the buy and sales alerts, as well as the monthly newsletter. You've got the special reports. You get Larry's Guide to Options, which goes in depth into how options work and how he trades them. And then you've got the One Ticker Retirement Plan, which is his strategy of how he picks one stock and then trades it time and time again using options contract. Then you've got the portfolio with the stocks that are currently being traded. Highly recommended product if you're new to options trading. I've been a member now for a while and it's helped me a lot understand options. Now this product usually retails for $1.99, but you can get it today for only $19, and that locks your membership in for 1 year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So if you want to check it out or join, feel free. But for $19, it is worth it. You get a 60-day money back guarantee as well. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.